We really left the GTR outside. Look at the front bumper.
God damn.
This shit is so dirty, bro. I don't even know how it got this dirty. I mean, I do know how it got this dirty. It's been hella windy. As you guys can see, there's dirt everywhere, bro. And I left the GTR outside last night. I put the Z inside. And yeah, this shit definitely needs a car wash, bro. I should just threw the Z outside, huh? I didn't want to because we just got it detailed, as you guys know. So it's all clean, but let's pull the Z out. First we gotta move this bad boy. Why do none of my cars start, bro? We need batteries for all of them. I really got a GTR and a 350Z now. We used to have all BMWs, now it's a bunch of Nissans. But the Z actually looks really good now that it's clean. It does not look that bad. The wheels look so nice. Don't about the Mustang. Yeah, something's wrong with the clutch or something. That shit sounds horrible. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Oh, right now we're on the way to get a haircut. Me and Jordan need a haircut, so I'm about to go get a haircut from the homie BB. But I thought it'd be fun just to bring out the Z today. Go for a little cruise. I really haven't driven this car a lot much, only like on the way home from buying it. We got the car all detailed and clean. It's super nice in here. Still needs a lot of work. But it looks a lot better than it did. If you guys have not watched the last video, the car was super freaking dirty. Literally 10 months worth of dirt and dust on the car. So it was disgusting, inside and out, and engine bay. We're about to go get a haircut, and I was like, you know what, why not? Let's bring out the 350Z. Still got the wrap on it? Uh-huh. You still have the wrap on it?
Yeah, it's gone.
You almost lost it. Yeah. I don't know why Jordan put his car back to stock. If you guys don't remember how his car used to look, I'll put a picture right here. It was really freaking clean. And I don't know what he has planned with it now.
What?
He's just putting it back to stock and selling it, huh?
Yeah.
And then getting something new?
Get some love.
Oh shit!
I'm getting into one piece of shit to another piece of shit.
I think this is worse.
Way worse.
It's just so annoying, bro. This is clean, like. Bro, it's so obnoxious, bro. It's not even going nowhere.
Yeah, this shit's on fire. I smell it.
That's what I'm scared of too, bro. Like, I'm scared to push the car because like we don't even know anything yet. Like,
This shit's fucking annoying.
what if this shit just burns down? I know. I wish the window went down. Why is it so loud, dude? Really do some maintenance on the car. Oh! It sounds so crazy. Bro, it has to be like the loudest fucking car I've ever. People probably look at us like, these kids are so annoying. Bad in fifth gear. It's fun to drive, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's kind of cool to drive. It's just too loud. Well, guys, you guys like the Z so far? I like it. It just needs some work. Oh, this shit is too low for these streets. Well, we're for sure get pulled over in this car. The cops behind us?
You can't really make it quiet.
I can't, dude.
At all.
Oh my god, it's just rubbing everywhere.
It's not even fun. I mean, I don't know how people do it.
I know, that's what I'm saying. We need to raise this shit up.
These guys are tripping.
Huh?
These guys are tripping.
Why?
He's getting me to drive the E46. Do some donuts with her in the E46.
I know, imagine I really let Emily drive the E46.
Yeah,
I don't know about that one either. I can't even control it. I obviously can't even drive that shit. No, I would let her if we're at like Willow Springs at a drift track.
I want to hear it from the outside.
I know. Oh shit. Bro, I'm scared to. We haven't even registered the car, guys. It's not registered, it's not insured. We're riding dirty right now. Bro, people are so annoyed of us. I feel embarrassed driving this car. So loud. I don't know if people drive cars this loud. Like, there's a lot of VQ guys out there that drive them this loud, dude.
Normal.
I can't do it. It's too freaking loud. It causes too much attention. Like, everyone looks. You like it? It doesn't look that bad. It looks like a straight up drift missile though from the front. The wheels look good when they're clean.
Has to be the starter then.
Something on. Alright, we just got our haircuts. That look different? You guys notice I've been very consistent on YouTube? I've been trying, bro.
Turn on this guy grind.
I actually posted, like, I'm not gonna lie, I think if I post this video
this week?
Well, when this video goes up, it would actually be 5 videos in a row, dude. That's a whole week of daily vlogging.
Yeah, that's what you need to be doing every day.
That's good. So hopefully I can keep the momentum going. I feel a little motivated right now to make some cool content. Oh shit! But if you guys are liking the vlogs, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you guys like every video. Make sure you guys watch the whole entire video too. And yeah, we're gonna keep trying to make some content. I'm gonna try to come up with some more ideas every day. That's the hardest part, guys, about making YouTube videos, is coming up with content to make every single day. You have to come up with something to do, or find something to do, or have homies that want to go do some stuff. Oh, have fun, buddy.
That bumper's coming off.
Hopefully. Comment down below if you guys have a 350Z. What exhaust should I get? I know everyone will say, get a Tommy. Everyone will say that. I don't know. Maybe there's different exhaust setups out there that sound really good. I think the car has headers. That's what the guy said. Maybe test pipes too. Oh shit, homie! The transmission's gone. My hand slipped. Can you even drift this thing?
What does Kicks say?
Oh my god, that shit smells, bro. I feel like when
Where the skate park is at.
Kicks told me that they don't have traction control buttons. And I think it kind of, I forgot what the word he said, but I asked Fresh Kicks, where the fuck's the traction control button? Because I couldn't find it. I don't know. Oh my god, bro.
Shit. I didn't even see that.
There's no way.
Damn.
Literally no way we hit that shit. It's open diff. It doesn't have BDC. Base traction is always off, he said. I don't know what that means. So can we drift it? What's open diff?
Like, it's just spinning.
One wheel?
It's probably gonna be hard. You probably do donuts.
You think I can do donuts? So we have to wild the diff then?
Yeah.
So we can drift the shit? Wow. I want to do donuts so much. Should we try?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh shit, we got a brother.
Talking to my people. BQ, homie. I'm over here. Should we go try to race it? that shit gonna catch fire. What's up, baby? Oh my god, dude. Huh?
Horse.
I got a trick question for you, Dorian. How much horsepower does that shit have?
I'm pushing about 15.
That shit got 1 horsepower. It's 1 horse. No way, I just died. Shit has 1 horsepower.
Am I scared of anything on me? I'm fucking sitting right here.
I'm going straight into a curve. Like, I don't even know if it's gonna kick out, you know what I mean? What if I just do a turn? This shit runs too. Bro, there's no way. Dude.
Fucking dumb it.
I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm scared, dude. This is the first time I'm ever gonna try to attempt something in this car.
I remember these cars when I was like 12 years old.
Dude, should I put that video in here if I can find it? Guys, a long time ago, Jordan's brother had a 350Z. We didn't even have licenses yet.
We were on bikes, like.
He didn't even have a driver's license. None of us drove cars. He just took his brother's car out for a fun joyride, and he almost killed himself. He almost crashed the car.
It was bad. I don't know what I was doing, but I got the idea to like swing that corner.
Bro, I'll put the video right here if I can find it.
Go, 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 go!
Yeah, Jordan almost killed himself, bro.
That's pretty bad. Okay, now you better fucking do it.
Bro, I'm scared, Jordan. I don't think it's gonna whip out. Watch me just do the turn, like, "Arr."
Maybe.
I'll try, bro. What the fuck was that? I felt the one wheel turn. Hey, another way? I can't do the other way. This car, dude.
Send it, homie.
It won't even do it. Like, it feels weird. It feels like all the wheels are moving like that.
Really? You ain't sending it hard enough.
Look, it feels like the wheels are gonna fall off.
Are you dumping?
Bro, I'm slamming the gas too. I think we gotta weld the diff, bro. Hell no. It's so ugly, bro. It looks like I don't know how to drive. Does it look ugly?
I mean, the end it started doing it.
I know, I felt like if I kept going, it would start letting loose a little better, but... Oh my god, this shit is oh shit! Bro, this shit sounds burnt. That was funny. It won't do it. That's so annoying. So if you weld it, it won't do it?
Yeah. I think it's pretty simple. Like, it's the only one's like kind of burning, right?
Looks like right there a little bit on. That shit's so ugly, bro. Like, it doesn't even sound good. That was a fail. This shit's bomb.
Those are good.
Anyways, guys, we gotta figure out how we can make this shit drift. Because obviously, it won't drift right now. It won't whip out. And that's, oh my god, there's a cop. I swear.
Where?
Like 2 cars back. There's a cop, guys.
This guy's turning behind you.
Back, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. But like I was saying, we need to like fix the diff or something just so I can at least drift this car. Because that's mainly what this car's gonna be for. Nothing to see here, officer.
There's a modded car behind him too. Cute. Yeah, you're fucked, homie. There's no way you can make this car quiet.
I'm trying to make it quiet. But yeah, has to be one of the first mods too, to fix the dip. So we guys freaking have fun in this car. I want to drift.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.